Dima, my name is Mark Andrew B. Sagario, and I'm the first reporter. Our topic is all about chart pattern. So I'm going to discuss my part, the head and shoulders pattern. So the head and shoulders pattern is an important strategy in stock investing because it helps investors identify a possible reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. It consists of the left shoulders and head, right shoulders, and also neckline. The necklines acts as a support level, and when the price breaks below it, it confirms the possible sell signals. This strategy is useful because it helps investors make better decisions, manage risk, and avoid larger losses. So the traders wait for the complete formation of the pattern and observe price movement near the neckline to confirm that sellers are gaining control of the market. So it helps investors recognize market weakness and plan their trading action more effectively. In addition, the head and shoulders patterns helps investors become more disciplined and patient in trading. Instead of making decisions based on emotions, traders rely on chart analysis and market signals. These strategies also improves timing when buying or selling stocks, which can help investors protect their profits and reduce unnecessary risk in the stock market. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
So, good day, ma'am. Good afternoon. First, I'm introduce myself. My name is Johnny Kizo, and I'm second reporter in this group. So, our topic is all about double top or double bottom. There are chart patterns na ginagamit sa trending para may balaan kung possible ba ang musaka or maubos ang presyo. First, ang double top kay mura ni siya letter M. Usually, makita ni after sa uptrend or human musaka ang presyo. This pattern show nga naghina na ang buyers o possible nga mubaba ang price. Kung break ang support level, possible nga seller na ang nagkontrol sa market. On the other hand, ang double bottom kay mura ni siya letter W. Makita ni after sa downtrend or human maubos ang presyo, nagpasabot kini nga naghina ang seller o possible nga musaka balik ang price. If ma-break ang resistant level, possible nga buyers nang nagkuha sa control. So, in simple words, ang double top kay possible signal nga maubos ang presyo, while ang double bottom kay possible signal nga musaka ang presyo. So that's all my topic, ma'am.
Plug pattern. Plug pattern is a continuation chart pattern used in trading and technical analysis. It usually occurs after a strong price movement and signals that the trend may continue in the same direction after the short pause or consolidation. Parts of the plug pattern. Plug pull. The plug pull is a strong and sharp price movement either upward or downward. This represents strong buying and selling pressure in the market. Next is plug. The plug is small consolidation area that forms after the strong move. It usually looks like a rectangle or a slightly slanted channel. So how to use the plug pattern? First one is look for a strong price movement called the plug pull. Second, wait for the small consolidation or pause called the plug. Third one is draw parallel lines around the plug formation. The fourth is watch for a breakout above or below the flag. The last is enter a buy or sell trade depending on the breakout direction.
Good morning. I'm Group 5. I'm Carl G. Dakailar. My topic is cup and handle. Is mao ni siya kani. Cup handle pattern is one of the most popular chart pattern used is trading stock, forex, and cryptocurrency. It is called a continually pattern because it usually shows that the price will continue moving upward after short post. Traders use this pattern to identify possible buying opportunities in the market. The pattern looks like at teacups, and the first part is called the cup, which form when the price decreases slowly and then rises, creating a rounded shape. After the cup from the price experiences a small pullback or sides movement called the handle. This handle presents a short period of consolidated before the price continues upward. The cup and handle pattern is important because it signals strong buying momentum when the price breaks above and handle. Traders considers it all buy signal. This breakout indicates that the buyers are gaining control and the market may continue rising. Many traders wait for the breakout before entering a trade to reduce the risk of false signals. Example is pananglitan is ang presyo sa usa ka coin gikan 100 niubos siya og 70 human ana ni sa kabalik og 100 ug mahimong cap dayon niubos gamay 95 ug mahimong handle kung malapas na ang presyo sa 100. Daghang traders mapalit kay basin musaka pagyud ang presyo. That's all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My report is all about the symmetrical triangle. So, the symmetrical triangle is a chart patterns that forms when the price of an asset creates a series of lower highs and higher lows. This creates two converging trend lines that form a triangle shape. The red and the green pattern show in the image represents the price movement within the symmetrical triangles pattern. Specifically, the green candles represent the higher lows that form the bottom trend line of the triangle. The red candles represent the lower high descending line that form the top trend line of the triangle. How it forms? First is the price start by making a series of lower highs, creating a descending trend line. Kadua is, at the same time, the price also makes a series of higher lows to low. These two trend lines converge, forming the symmetrical triangle shape. Volume behavior as the pattern form, trading value typically decreases. That indicates a period of consolidation as a price gets squeezed between the two trend lines. Breakout signals. Bullish breakout. If the price breakout above the upper trend line or the triangle, it signals potential bullish move. So, muna siya ang buy signal. Bearish breakout. If the price breaks out below the lower trend line of the triangle, is a signal as potential bearish move, which means a sell signal. How to use? First is identify the two converging trend lines that form the symmetrical triangle. Kadua is wait patiently as the price consolidates within the triangle. Katulo, watch the price to decisively break out of the triangle, either upward or downwards. Kaupat, enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. And that's all, ma'am, of my report. Thank you.